In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change Samsung's keyboard theme. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to click on this section called General Management. Now click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And when you're ready, scroll again, this time to select Theme. Now, apply any of those by clicking on the best one for you. And once you're ready, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my Samsung keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!